PC gaming headphone headset holder hanger hook, HORUMP dual headphone stand under desk with 5 ports USB charging station, suitable for gamer earphone accessories as boyfriend, son, husband gifts. Can hold 2 headphones same time which with a headband width within 2.1 inch such as Bluetooth headphone, active noise cancelling headphone, gaming headphone, telephone headset, children headphone, and so on. Can hold 2 headphones same time which with a headband width within 2.1 inch such as Bluetooth headphone, active noise cancelling headphone, gaming headphone, telephone headset, children headphone, and so on. Extra USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports allow you to charge your iPhone 12 and other smartphone, iPad, tablet, or other smart device without plug-in wall, handy, conveniently and organized. It can detect your device automatically to deliver its fastest possible charge speed up to 2.4 amps per port or 4 amps overall. Come with 2 screws and adhesive screws, according you need use different ways hold securely under your desk. Note, when using adhesive screw, please clean and dry the surface the desk and the stand before installing. Wait 24 hours for firmness before use. Comes with 6 cable management hooks for keeping cables neat and organized. It helps saving space for your phone charger and gaming headsets. Can hold 2 sets of headphones. The arms are detachable. Our promise, to make sure you are 100% satisfied with your purchase of our products. If you have any questions, we will provide you lifetime warranty service. You are not only a customer but also our friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech updates.